welcome back to my YouTube channel, guys. How are you? I hope you're fine and could not like the latest game available now. And today I will be guide to you how to will be complete to be this game meter depth. So guys, they all of everything more easily now, not to be anything hard, just to be explain you something about this video. And I request you be end of watching this video and before like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, because I will be totally guide to you, helping to you. And I hope you will be completely watching my video and sharing my most of my videos everywhere, groups, Facebook, everywhere. So I hope you will be completely watching my videos. So let's start this video and request you be end of watching now. So let's start this video. Okay guys, I'm already download this game, Forest Cleaner game name, and write games like with this making game. So guys, we end up watching this video and I will be little skipping this video. Guys, like be many of people sometimes not to be understand know which like be distance, which like be, and first of all I will be guide to you this like be meter depth. First of all, these options like be meter depth and upgrade trash. This is the if you have like be more like be you will be upgrading trash, so that's mean you will be earned lots of coins, because many of people sometimes these options not to be understand know which meters and distance means like the depth meters. Okay, so I will be starting this game and little I will be guide to you, because this game like be sometime be good, sometime be out of controls. Okay, so before guys listen me, you will be never be skipping these earth options. X more coins, x3 earth like be I will be click on these options. So sometime they're working, sometime not to be working, but you will be tapping on now these options, so some they working now. Okay, and because this game like be so much fastest game now, so sometime I'm not to be understand now how to will be complete to be these games. So if I have like lots of coins, so that's mean I will be earns lots of this complete to be this game. Oh my god. Oh nice, good, don't worry. And guys, before you will be never actually add the option skipping now, because this is the more important option for you, because I will be totally guide to you and helping to you using X more three options. You will be tapping on this option, so they're working, sometime not to be working, depend on your luck. It's okay, no problem. You will be choosing X more 3 coins, they working or not, this not to be working. Okay, I will be using X mod 3, but they not to be working now. So I told you already, sometime they're working, sometime not to be working. So guys, I will be upgrading now like be more trash, and this time I have uh, 21 trash, so this time not to be have more coins, so I will be like little more play games, so I will be earns lots of coins. Okay, export 3, and step by step like be first of all you will be starting this game, you will be upgrade trash now maximum like be uh, 52 above like be more trashing you will be purchasing now, then you will be starting your games upgrade distance. So then you will be easily complete to be your task. You will be checking no, I'm be easily complete to be this distance. So they all of everything more easily, no, not to be anything hard, just to be explain you, and I will be teach to you completely how to will be complete to be this game. I hope you will be understand now what I'm asking to you. I'm create first of all more trash like B50 above, then you will be starting your game. X3 more the coins you will be every time watching now, before just only one of the ads you will be watching, then you will be earns like the triple queen earn now and be easily complete to be your upgrade distance meter. So thank you so much for you watching my video. I request you like and subscribe to my YouTube channel and sharing my video. So thank you so much and love you guys.